What's up, guys? Troy back. Hey, today I'm going to do a little install video on some Jeep Wrangler hood latches. And as you can see there, I'm going to put some red latches on my black Wrangler. Get rid of these rubber ones. So I'll give you some tips and pointers and let you know kind of what's going on with it and see how it goes. So here we go. So basically the first thing you're going to do is you're going to reach down in this little hole here. It's not super easy, but if you put it on a little ratchet, that ratchet right there, and there's one bolt down in there. It's going to be hard to see, but it's right down in here, and that is a 13 millimeter. So it'll take this bottom latch off here, your top one right there, two bolts up underneath the hood, and that is a 10 millimeter. So it shouldn't be too bad, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, right here, the kit comes with these rubber pads that go behind these here. Okay, put those back there to protect your paint, keep your paint from getting scratched. Put those on there. Comes with all your mounting hardware and everything. I assume they're stainless. All right, so one thing I noticed right off the bat. So this one here, you got your two little nubs sticking out right there. Obviously that goes there, okay? But to get this bigger Allen, countersunk Allen into there, you can see that, you got to take this Allen right here, that Allen out. If you're careful enough, you can, there's two spacers in here, so watch those don't fall out. But you can move this thing, slide it back a little bit, get your bolt in, put it back in, put your Allen's bolt back in. So there's a little tip right there. So here's one more tip. Once you get that in there, you might as well leave this Allen bolt, just remove this out. That way you can put an Allen wrench in there, hold this, and put your nut on the back side there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this right here, take it out, hold that with an Allen, and then bolt it up, and you put this back in. So once you get this on, I got this fastened in, tightened up. This rubber piece right here actually comes off of your old piece right here. So you're just it just holds on with two little tabs. If you pull on it real nice and easy, it'll come off, and you can just set it right on. You can just set it, put that right in this little tab there. It sticks on there. Now it's not going to hold on just like the other one, but it stays on nice. Once your hood's down, it ain't going nowhere. The top hood latch comes with this piece already on here. I'm just going to leave that on there and put the new existing one right on top of that. All right, guys, there you go. Look at that. Sweet. This is easy install, 30 minutes. Right there, they're all in. All you got to do is, I should be able to do with one hand, push down on the hood a little bit, slide it out, pop it in. It's got ball detents in there. So, and this is the turnbuckle. Tighten it up till it's just a little bit snug. Release it a little bit, so you can still press down a little bit to get your pin out. But as you can see, I can push down one hand, slide it out, okay? This is a good way to prevent hood flutter, guys. You're not gonna be going on the highway, getting that flutter in your hood. Hopefully we'll see how good they work out and last to the weather, but this one here, look, I'm barely pressing down, sliding in and out. The cable here is actually nylon coated. Everything's coated so it's not gonna scratch your hood. I may take a little bit of black tape right here, maybe some Gorilla tape, but that shouldn't do anything there. But yeah, guys, there you go. That's a quick, easy install. Got them on Amazon from a company named, I believe it's something like Drizzle, something like that. But look it up, and if you see the word Drizzle or something similar, that's where I got these. They were $62.99. So there you go. One of these days I'll do an overall on my Jeep, but today I'm losing daylight. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe and the like button. And until next time, we'll see you later from T&A Adventures.